Hello Year 9, to help our sportswear project it's important we know about extra special kinds of fabrics that we haven't already looked at, and these are classed as smart and technical textiles, and that's what you're going to be learning about in this lesson. So this is quite futuristic in some cases, but there are already examples of smart and technical textiles for sale that you can buy now. The learning objectives for this lesson are that at the end all of you will hopefully be able to explain what these terms mean: smart textiles, technical textiles and interactive textiles. Most of you for a higher grade would be able to give examples for each of the above, and some of you would hopefully be able to create an idea of a textiles product. It could be, a sportswear product that uses some of this technology, so it could be one technical textiles or maybe more. So what are technical textiles? These are the kind that have been developed and created just because of what they can do. So these have been specially created because they have a function to perform. They're often made of microfibers. These are synthetic, so made from petrol and oil, and they're actually tiny, tiny fibers. They're used as cleaning cloths. They're used in all of these uses you can see down the right hand side here: medical, for bandages, for protective wear, for keeping us warm but not sweating. They're used for all kinds of things. They're 60 times thinner than a human hair, so imagine that, and they are very widely used. And here you can see some pictures. Okay, so top right hand side you've got an example of a medical textiles there, used as a dressing, which is super absorbent. On the left hand side there you've got a knitted stretchy yarn that is used amazingly as a tube to replace arteries around someone's heart if they've had heart disease. And in the bottom right hand side there you've got a special yarn, thread that is, that uses silver in its production. So silver is wound into the thread and then products are made with it, and it can actually kill bacteria and fungi, so it stops wounds getting infected and it helps to keep underwear hygienic. These are examples of technical textiles that are used for protection. Kevlar is used as in body armour. It's incredibly bulletproof and it's non-flammable. And also high visibility jackets with incredibly reflective tape, helping to keep people safe in the dark. And lots of technical fabrics are used in sportswear. This is why I wanted us to look at this, because it might help you design using some of these fabrics. So on the left hand side there you've got Cool Max, which helps to wick away, that means to soak away moisture and sweat from the body, to the surface of the fabric, which makes you feel dry and comfortable. If you were to wear cotton, it wouldn't necessarily do that. The cotton would soak in your sweat, it wouldn't wick it away, whereas this keeps you feeling cool, which is great for when you sleep and great for when you're wearing any kind of sports clothes. In the middle there you've got Nomex, which is great for anyone who will be at risk of fire, so people that use racing cars. And on the bottom right hand side there you've got Gore-Tex, so windproof jackets, cycling jackets, running wear, anything that you need to be sweatproof, windproof and water resistant. Gore-Tex is a great fabric to use. This is biomimetics. These fabrics have been designed to mimic nature. So this is looking at nature, what works in nature, and seeing if they can apply that to fabrics. Speedo Fast Skim is a swimsuit fabric using the sort of V-shaped fibres that kind of copy the scales of a shark, that helps a shark swim faster. So you've got some actual swimming trunks there. You can get swimming costumes, and they're made using this method, this technology of this V-shaped fibres to make people sort of swim and glide faster. On the right hand side there you've got Stomatex, which is a really strong flexible fabric. It's looking at wicking away moisture, sweat, the same way that you get transpiration in plants, so it isn't soaked in and it doesn't leave you feeling all sticky and sweaty.